got a new roomba. This is the new roomba. So we can open it. Wow. This. Sorry, why it was a little bit short. Hey, Mom, I don't know how to put some of these stuff on like this. This is actually a mopping pad, but I don't know how to put that on. Dusting pad. Can you help me put this on?
Mm-hmm.
Do you put it on?
Mm-hmm. Why don't we get the instructions out first?
Instructions?
Yeah.
So what is this for?
I don't know. Let's go get the instructions out. Okay, no. Okay,
nope.
no.
That's new. That's new. Don't worry. Why is this one not straight? This has so many bushes. Look.
Mm-hmm. Let me see that Velcro pad thingy.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So it goes. It's not a, I think it goes like that.
Does it need to be wet?
No, you don't get it.
You don't get it wet? Okay. Is it for, what is it for? Okay.
Oh, actually, it can mop the floor.
Oh, do you have, what do you, does
So
it
you don't have to use this unless you want to get it wet to like let the floor get wet, but we don't need that. So yeah,
that's cool. So
yeah. And then this is the charger.
what's the button? Let me see if it's max because maybe you wanna. Let me see. Oh, let me touch the handle. Oh, the handle's not that strong. It's so hard to open.
Do you need help?
This so hard here. Look at this fan.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So there's the
That's
dust box.
good. That looks cool. That's
And then you
empty.
lift this out.
Oh, I see the fan. There's like another fan.
Oh, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
I have to take that out.
I think so. Like when you clean it, I think so.
The mop pad fell. It's cool that I got a mop pad.
Yeah. So then you.
Does it clean and mop at the same time?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Mhm. Okay. So.
I'm so glad that we got the first Roomba that cleans and mops at the same time.